Hello everybody, Chris here with For the Love of Soup. It's my very first video, so what better soup to start with than Fasolada soup. It's a soup I've made a million times. It's a Greek soup, it's super delicious, super nutritious, and very simple to make. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So let's start with peeling and chopping the onions and carrots. There is leeway with how you want to chop them, depending on what kind of bite you prefer. I like to roughly chop the onion and dice the carrots into smaller chunks. For me, I try not to make it about the speed at which I can prepare or cook, or having the best chopping technique in the world. That feels like a lot of pressure. It's more about just taking it easy, infusing the food with love and care, and tapping into sort of a meditative state. I try to enjoy every step of the process, knowing that the big picture is a delicious meal to come. If you have one, you can definitely use the food processor for this part, and it can save quite a bit of time. You can mix the veggies together as you chop in the same bowl, and they should look something like this. Prepare the beans, adding them to the colander and rinsing them well. You may also substitute the equivalent dry beans, parboiled, for these canned beans. Just for simplicity, I use the canned ones in this recipe. Get that kettle of water boiling, and also add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat to your pot. Add in the carrots and onions and fry up for about 2 minutes. Then, add the tomato paste, mix well, and fry up for about another minute. Top that with the beans, and then with your boiling water. You should cover the beans with your boiling water and then maybe about 1 centimeter additionally. Bring all those yummy veggies to a boil, cover up, and then simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add in your olive oil and your spice mix. Simmer for 5 more minutes, and then you're done. The soup goes really good with some yummy bread, and it also freezes really well. So make sure if you can, you make a big batch so you can maximize your time and you can pull some out on those cold nights. Thanks for checking out my first video. Hopefully a lot more to come. So long for now.